Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the things that I track within my personal planner. Now, I have done a video like this one before, but I believe it's about a year or so old, so I wanted to just do an updated look at this planner. Today we're going to be using these stickers that I just created for my shop today. They are Thanksgiving related, but I wanted to lay them down just to see what they would look like. And very rarely does my planner actually reflect the stickers of the current time. Usually it is ahead of time because I create stickers for my shop before I actually would need to actually put them in my planner. So this is a great way for me to play around with different stickers and also talk about the different things that I plan in my personal planner. Now, if you don't know much about my system, I use my Tom 90 planner. This is a disc-bound planner that has one book, but it's multiple planners. So I currently have 6 planners all within this one book, and I only carry 1 month of each planner so that I have enough room to carry them all. And I use them all in different ways, but my personal planner is more like a tracker. This is where I keep all of the things related to my home, my family, my health, my meals, and basically anything else that is not related to my church or to my business. Unlike my catch-all planner, which has everything in it, it has an overview of everything, this planner only tracks what I keep going on in my personal life. So now that I have laid down all of my stickers, the next thing that I'm going to do is write down all of the things that I want to track. The very first thing that I like to track within my personal planner are my meals. I track my meals a lot because of health reasons. My body is very sensitive to certain foods, so I do like to keep track of the different things that I am eating. For the most times, I am a creature of habit. I will eat the same things, but every now and then I will try something new. And if I wake up and I don't feel well, then I'm able to trace it back to what I ate that day or what I ate the day before. I'm able to see my patterns. The second thing that I like to track is my sleep. So we have a Sleep Number bed, and although it was quite an investment, I really do love this bed. It tracks my sleep and it lets me know overall my quality of sleep. And I do like to track this because once again, it helps me to know overall my health, and I'm able to see if anything is affecting my sleep. The third thing that I like to track is any medicine or vitamins that I am taking. I will take certain medicine for my headaches or for my muscle pain that I will get from time to time. So I do like to keep track of those things as well. So anytime that I have taken some type of medicine, I will write it down in this planner. That lets me know the next time that I go to the doctor how often I have to take certain medication. So since it's currently Tuesday, I am going to take a moment to fill out everything that has happened on Monday. I will start off just by filling out what I ate on Monday, and I do like to keep track of what time my last meal was because many days I will do intermittent fasting. That just helps me with my overall health. And then I will check the app to see what is my current Sleep Number score, and I'm going to write down any medicine that I took on yesterday. Yesterday the girls did not have school. I also track things like that within this planner, anything that's going on within our home and anything that is going on with our family. So that all goes in different sections. So as you can see, the very top section I have put in my meals, and then the next section is my overall health, and then the last section is dedicated to family. Now this will switch from day to day because as you can see on Tuesday, the very first section is just a sticker, and then I have added the second section as my meals and the third section as my overall health. And I did that particular way because I knew, since it's already Tuesday, I knew what I needed to add into this planner, and I knew that I would have a little bit more space because I didn't have to take any medicine. I wasn't in any pain this morning, and I am kind of getting back into my routines. So I'm just going to replace all of the information that I would usually keep track of my health and write down what I did for my home instead, and the things that I did for my family instead, because we had to order costumes to get ready for Halloween. So as you can see, this planner, it's really a free all planner, meaning that I will just jot down different things as I go. I am not really keeping to a strict thing of where each thing in this particular section goes. I just kind of like to keep an overall view of anything that's going on in my personal life within this planner. In addition to home, family, and health, I will also keep track of events and doctor's appointments. So I have a doctor appointment coming up this Friday, and I wanted to track that within this planner. And I will also add in notes from my doctors in here as well. This makes it really easy to remind myself of the conversations that I've had and the plans that I have put in place from my doctor's notes. And the last thing that I will track in this planner is on my sidebar, anything that's coming up the next week. So I know I put next week, but it's really for the rest of the month that I have been doing on this sidebar. And it's because we just have so many things going on. Sometimes I do like to keep track of all of my upcoming events so that I can roll them over as I am planning for the very next week. As you can see, I did it in last week's plans, and that's why I was easily able to transfer it over into the new week. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this particular plan with me as we walk through the different ways that I will use my personal planner. This is one of my favorite planners in order to track and stay up on different things that's going on with my personal life. Every now and then I will not track certain things if I feel like I am in a good space or I don't need to track as many health things. I might just keep my catch-all planner, but lately I have been using this one. So guys, I hope that this one has helped you, and I will see you in Friday's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.